Hello all. In this video, we are going to learn about actuators. Actuators are nothing but the devices which facilitates the movement or locomotion in a system, maybe in a robotic system or maybe in an automated system. These types of actuators will always be used in mechanical factories and industries, where automation plays a major role. Usually, actuators are the devices which are nothing but the motors which facilitates the movement. There are different types of motors. First one is the stepper motor, which is used for small applications and step-by-step movement. And next one is a DC motor, which is used for heavy applications. And then is a servo motor. So in DC motor, we have brushless motors are also there. So based on our application, based on our need, based on based on the capacity or the load of our system, we will be selecting the actuators or the motors in a robotic system or in an or in an automatic system. So here is a block diagram of actuators. So here we have four blocks. First one is the energy, actuator, signal, and motion or the force. So even if it is a motor, we have to give energy or power to the system. So we have wireless motors are there, wired motors are there. Wireless motors will work based on batteries, powered by batteries. So the energy which we give through wireless system or through wired system is nothing but the energy block. Actuator output is nothing but the motion or the movement which produces a force in a system. So how the actuators work? We give the signal, okay, you move forward, you move left, you move right, you move the backward direction, you take reverse direction. These are the signals which we give to the actuator because it is a machine. These are the signals which we give to the actuator, and based on the signals, maybe from the microcontroller or the microprocessor, from the Arduino, uh, these signals will reach the actuators, and based on the signals, the actuator will move, will produce a movement through wheels. Motors will be connected to wheels, and the wheels will move. So now we shall get into the PPT. An actuator is part of the system that deals with the control action required, which is the mechanical action, mechanical or electromechanical devices. So electromechanical device means a microcontroller connected with a motor, a microcontroller connected with a with a pneumatic system. These are the combination of electromechanical devices. Some electrical devices will be there, maybe like sensors or microcontroller or ADC or DAC will be there. Along with that, we will be connecting some mechanical devices. Actuator comes into mechanical device. An actuator produces a control signal. A control signal is input to an actuator and an energy source is necessary for its operation. Only if we give power to the system, it will work. Only if we give signal to the system, it will obey what it has to do. So it is available in both micro and macro scales. Say for example, the electric motor, solenoid, hard drive, stepper motor, fork drive, hydraulic cylinder, piezoelectric actuators, and pneumatic actuators. Pneumatic actuators means these are the actuators which work based on air as an input. Classification of actuators. So these are the several classifications of actuators. The electric linear actuators, electric rotary actuators, fluid power linear actuators, fluid power rotary actuators, linear chain actuators, manual linear actuators, manual rotary actuators. So electric linear actuator circuit diagram is shown in the figure. So it is usually electric linear actuator means it is powered by the electrical signal. Mechanical device containing linear guides, motors and drive mechanisms. It converts electrical energy into linear displacement. Used in automation applications including electrical bell, opening and closing dampers, locking the doors and braking braking machine motions. Electric rotary actuators are used for producing rotary movement, maybe in the x direction or maybe in the y direction. It converts electrical signal into rotational motion. That is why we say it as electric rotary actuators. So the applications include quarter turn valves, windows, and fluid powering in actuator means the actuator is provided with a fluid as the input as the energy.